In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Airtable to Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your data out of Airtable and into an Excel spreadsheet so you can analyze it, share it, or back it up in a format you're already comfortable with. Let's start at your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in the Airtable website URL and press enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Airtable account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're in Airtable, look for the base that contains the data you want to export. A base in Airtable is like a project or a database. It holds one or more tables of related information. Click on the base to open it. Inside the base, you'll see your different tables listed as tabs, usually along the top of the screen. Select the specific table you want to export. Remember, you're exporting one table at a time, not the entire base in one go, so make sure you've chosen the right one. Now that your table is open, take a moment to confirm that the view matches what you want to see in Excel. Airtable exports the data as it appears in the current view, so if you have filters, sorts, or hidden fields, those settings may affect what ends up in your file. If you need all fields visible, you might want to switch to a view where everything is shown or quickly adjust your view settings before exporting. Next, move your attention to the top left corner of the table. Here you'll see the name of the current view with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that view drop-down. This menu controls how the data is displayed and also includes the option we need for exporting. From the drop-down list, look for the option labeled Download CSV and click it. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's a simple file format that many programs, including Excel, can open. When you select Download CSV, your browser will start downloading a file that contains all the data from your current table view. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file, or it may go straight into your default Downloads folder. Take note of where the file is saved so you can find it easily in the next step. The file name will usually match the table name with a .csv extension at the end. Once the download is complete, open Microsoft Excel on your PC. You can do this from your Start menu, your desktop, or your taskbar shortcut, wherever you normally launch Excel. In Excel, go to the option to open an existing file. Navigate to the folder where your CSV file was saved, select it, and open it. Excel will load the CSV and display your Airtable data in rows and columns, just like any other spreadsheet. At this point, you can review the data, format it, create charts, add formulas, or save it as a regular Excel workbook if you'd like. To do that, simply use Save As and choose the Excel workbook format. That's all you need to export Airtable to Excel. Open Airtable in your browser, choose the base and table, download the table as a CSV, and then open that file in Excel on your PC.